Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be presenting a topic which is related to origins. And there are various understanding of our origins. One of it is evolution. However, a very good alternative on how we understand our beginnings, our origins, is the understanding of creationism. And when it comes to creationism, one very famous view is the biblical uh, origins, our beginnings that are mentioned and that are written in the Bible. And this commentary focuses on the very first two chapters of the book of Genesis, chapter 1, verses 1 and 2. So this commentary is entitled The Beginnings. Now, in understanding the first two verses of Genesis chapter 1, we have 3 points to remember. The first one is in Genesis chapter 1, verse 1, wherein God created first the heavens, then latter the earth. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 says that in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. If we try to look into the syntactical analysis of this statement, that there was heavens first, followed by the earth. Take note that the term heavens here is plural, which means that prior to the creation of the earth, there was various heavens that God created. And this connotes that God created first the universe, then the earth. The second understanding is on verses 1 and 2 is that prior to the first day of creation, prior to the first day of creation, the earth is empty, formless, and dark. Now, take note of this, that the writer of the book of Genesis is Moses. And Moses observed clearly that there was emptiness, it was formless, and it was dark. But why Moses saw these things? Surely Moses saw, probably in a vision, probably in uh, God have shown him what happened then during the creation time. Without some forms of lightings, without some forms of clarity, Moses will not see the formlessness, the emptiness of the earth during this time. Thus, we can conclude that during this time there was already some forms of lighting, there was some forms of light that made Moses see or saw the emptiness, the formlessness of the earth. Now, thirdly, the term the Spirit of God was over the face of the earth in Genesis 1, verse 2, in the last part, verse 2b, that the Spirit of God, the Ruach Elohim, was over the face of the earth. Take note of this, that Elohim is plural and masculine. It connotes plurality, that it is not just simply singular, that the presence of God here is in plural form, and the Wirwak is the Spirit of God was over the face of the earth. Now take note, Moses vividly described that it was over the face of the earth, which means that the the presence of God was seen by Moses, was observed by Moses in a very clear uh, in a very clear description, being on on the over the face of the earth, or over the waters of uh, the face of the earth. So clear and vivid, Moses saw it. Thus, we can conclude that there was really some forms of lighting. Even it is dark, but Moses can sense it, can see it clearly. So again, That is our first commentary from the book of Genesis, verse 1 and 2. Thank you. Like, subscribe. See you next time.